Add a pop of pearl to your paint job with protection and performance coming up next. Welcome back to the Duplicolor Garage. My name is Brian, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate another great product from Duplicolor, our 1K Clear Gloss Pearl. Now, it is an addition to the growing family of 1K clear coats that we have with Duplicolor. And just like the gloss and matte 1K clear coats, it can be applied over most any Duplicolor product for added protection, appearance, and performance. Now, the 1K Clear Gloss Pearl is formulated with a high-quality mica pearl within, which will allow you to transform any non-metallic color to a beautiful pearlescent finish. And that's exactly what I'm going to do with these two spoilers right here. Now, I already went ahead and primed it with the Perfect Match filler primer, so they are good and finished and ready for the color coat. White and the other with black. I'll let those dry and then we'll top coat it with the Gloss Pearl Clear, and we'll see the type of results that we'll get. Now, with any paint project, it's good to have a proper clean surface as far as scuffing for paint adhesion and of course cleanliness for that paint to bond to. Now, I went ahead and primed it with our Perfect Match primer and cleaned it with the Duplicolor multi-purpose foaming prep cleaner. Now, a couple of scenarios here. Since I already have a primed spoiler, not everybody's gonna be working with a primed surface. You may already be working with a previously painted surface. If that's the case, go ahead and scuff that painted surface down with a red scuff pad to get it good and scuffed up. Break that gloss finish because you don't want to apply the clear coat already over top of a glossy surface because you want that clear coat to bond to it. Since the spoiler is already primed, like I said, I went ahead and cleaned it, so we're ready for the Perfect Match paint. I'll go ahead and apply 2 coats of the white on the bottom, flip it over, do the same to the top, let it dry for about an hour, and then apply a couple of coats of the Pearl Clear. All right, I finished painting each one of those spoilers with the Perfect Match white and black. Now, the reason why I chose these two colors is because I want to show you the effect that the Pearl Clear Coat will have over top of both light and dark colors. So the next step is just basically grab one of these spoilers here. We'll get it moved because I can only paint them one at a time. And we'll get rolling, laying down the clear coat. Shake can for 2 minutes before spraying. Clean and degrease the area thoroughly using Duplicolor multi-purpose foaming prep cleaner and mask off any areas from overspray. Smooth out any paint imperfections using sandpaper with a 600 or more grit and clean surface again prior to applying clear coat if sanding was required. Always apply paint in a well-ventilated area. Ideal application conditions are when temperatures are between 60 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit with low humidity. Hold the can 4 to 8 inches from the surface and apply 2 to 3 light coats in an even sweeping motion with a 50 to 75% overlap with each pass. Allow 10 minutes between coats, with all coats being applied within 2 hours. Additional coats needed after 2 hours must be applied after 48 hours of dry time. Dries to the touch in 1 hour and can be handled within 3 or more hours. Wet sanding between coats is not required or recommended. Allow 7 or more days for total cure time. All right, so everything is all taken care of on these spoilers. The 1K Clear Gloss Pearl really looks amazing. Over top the white and over top the black, the pearl really starts to dance with these shop lights, but out in the sun, it's even more effective. So the 1K Pearl, being part of the 1K Clear Coat family, has the same features as the clear gloss and the clear matte regarding UV protection, scratch and mar resistance, and of course, gasoline resistance, and that makes it ideal for most any automotive-based project. So if you're looking for protection, performance, and appearance on your automotive projects, check out our 1K Clear line. For more information on this line and other products from Duplicolor, check out duplicolor.com.